Hello everyone, this is your Lekkala Master Haragopal. In this particular video, I am going to introduce another interesting and simple problem from algebra. The beauty of this problem is this problem can be solvable in so many different methods. Among so many different methods, I am going to introduce two different methods. One method is especially easily a 7th or 8th standard student also can able to understand, and another method is from 10th class concepts using logarithms you can solve this problem. So without wasting time, let me introduce the question first of all. It was given if 2 power a equal to 3 power b equal to 7 power c equal to 42, then calculate the value of 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. So simply, so interestingly, one relation was given between a, b, c along with the numbers 2, 3, 7, 42. They are asking to calculate the value of 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. So here, let me take it as a side. First of all, let me introduce or let me take the method from 10th class concepts. As we know the logarithms very well, how to convert exponential form to logarithmic form, etc., as well as the properties of logarithms. With the help of logarithms, we can solve this problem very beautifully. So just have a look, whatever the relationship we have 4 different terms here. Just I'm picking up 2 power a and 42 together here. So it was given 2 power a equal to 42. If you observe carefully, this is in exponential form. If you convert into logarithmic form, you can write as a equal to log 42 base 2. But if you have a look at the question, we are supposed to calculate the sum of 1 by a and 1 by b and 1 by c, which means that we need the value of 1 by a, but here we got a, which is nothing but log 42 base 2. But from this we can calculate the reciprocal of a. So the same thing can be written as 1 by a equal to log 2 base 42. So when a is log 42 base 2, 1 by a is going to be log 2 base 42. So just to keep it as a side, make it as equation 1. Now I am taking 3 power b equal to 42 here. If you see, this is also in the exponential form. Converting into logarithmic form, we are going to get b equal to log 42 base 3. So 1 by b is going to be log 3 base 42. So let me take it as equation 2. And similarly, if you go for the third combination, 7 power c equal to 42 here. So 7 power c equal to 42 is in the exponential form. If you convert into logarithmic form, you are going to get c equal to log 42 base 7. 1 by c is going to be log 7 base 42. So if you have a look, 1 by a and 1 by b and 1 by c, we got individual values. Just we need to add all the 3 values here. So you are going to get 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to log 2 base 42 plus log 3 base 42 plus log 7 base 42. Just to recollect one property from logarithms, we know that log m into n base a equal to log m base a plus log n base a. The same thing can be written in different situations. Here also, as we have sum of 3 different logarithmic terms with the same base, the same thing can be written as a single logarithmic term with the help of 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to, so how can you write log 2 into 3 into 7 base 42. If you observe carefully, this product 2 into 3 into 7 is going to be 42 again. So the same thing can be written as log 42 on base 42. So when we have these two values equal to each other, it will be equal to 1. As we know, log a base a equal to 1. So 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c value is going to be 1. So with the help of a logarithmic concept, what we used to learn in 10th class, this problem can be solvable very interestingly. And there is another interesting and simple method even a 7th standard student also can easily understand. So let me discuss about that one. So let me erase everything, keep the question as easily. Have a look, 2 power a equal to 3 power b equal to 7 power c equal to 42. First let me take as usually 2 power a equal to 42. If you have a look at the question, we need to calculate 1 by a value, but here 2 power a is there. To get 1 by a, here what I am doing, on both sides whatever the values we have here, 2 power a is there, here 42 is there. Just to get 1 by a somewhere in this expression, I am raising the power by 1 by a on both sides. What you are going to get? 2 power a whole power 1 by a equal to 42 power 1 by a. So what you are going to get here, 2 power a whole power 1 by a, we know that a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n, we know this one. Similarly here also 2 power a whole power 1 by a, what it is going to be? 2 power a into 1 by a we used to get. So 2 power a into 1 by a, if you do calculate here, 1 by a and a will cancel each other, you are going to get 1 here. So on the whole, you are going to get 2 power 1 equal to 42 power 1 by a. So 2 equal to 42 power 1 by a we used to get. Let me keep it aside. So we'll make it as equation 1. 2 equal to 42 power 1 by a. Similarly, if you take 3 power b equal to 42, here also you can raise the power on both sides with 1 by a. You are going to get 3 power b whole power 1 by b equal to 42 power 1 by b. So you are going to get 3 equal to 42 power 1 by b. Let me keep it aside. So here we got 2 equal to 42 power 1 by a. 3 equal to 42 power 1 by b. Similarly, if you take the third one, 7 power c equal to 42, raising the power 1 by c on both sides, you are going to get 7 equal to 42 power 1 by c here. So let me make it as equation 3. So if you see 2 equal to 42 power 1 by a, 3 equal to 42 power 1 by b, 7 equal to 42 power 1 by c. As we need the sum of 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c, here if you see clearly 42 power 1 by a separate value, 42 power 1 by b separate value, 42 power c separate value. How we are going to get all these sums powers, especially when you make the product of 2 into 3 into 7 only, we are going to get 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c in the power of 42. So just I am multiplying equation 1 into equation 2 into equation 3 here. You are going to get 2 into 3 into 7 equal to 42 power 1 by a into 42 power 1 by b into 42 power 1 by c. As we know, a power m into a power n into a power m something k, we can write as a power m plus n plus k. Similarly, here also you can write 42 power 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. If you see 2 into 3 into 7 is going to be 42 again. So 42 equal to 42 power 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. 42 can be written as 42 power 1. When the bases are equal, simply we can say the powers are equal. Therefore, 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is going to be equal to 1. So this is how we can solve this problem with the help of powers and indices chapter. Maybe in the 7th or 8th classes we used to learn. So my dear children, hope you enjoyed this small problem which can be solvable in 2 different methods. So in the next video, we'll meet with another interesting problem. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Your Lekkal Master Hargopal.